Hello everyone, my name is Ashutosh. Today is the 21 March and my video topic will be the main method in Java. When in a JVM, when execute the program, the JVM looks the main method. It is the starting point to the execution the program. Without the main method, the program will not be run. When compiler or JVM to see the main method where is after finding the main method, the program will be executed. The syntax of the main method will be public static main, public static void main, string args. We now discuss about the one by one. The words are situated in the main method. First one is the public where method it is the access modifier. It is the access modifier. When defined method as defined as a public, they can access by the anywhere outside the package and outside the class. The method will be accessed. When method will declare as a private, they not accessed by the outside the class and outside the package. That's why anytime the main method declare as a public. Second one is static. Static is a keyword where static will be situated in main method. Static keyword where main method will be executed without creating the object. Without creating object, that's the use of the static method, static keyword. And another one is another word is will be void. It is a keyword. Some of the method will not return type, and that method will it is to declare as a void. Void means the return no return type. When to declare void not declare and declare another return type to integer and any other, at that time to write the return type, but in main method do not return, and that's why they void keyword will be situated because there is no return type. Next word will be main. It is a predefined word in a JVM. That is the when JVM execute the program to see the where is the main keyword and is the entry point of the program, and when to method will not return as a main and written as any else like new main, that time the program will be not executed. For example, to return as public static void and new main string args, at that time the program will be not executed and some error will be occur like main method will be not found in the program. That's why the method will be not executed because not write the main word. This is a predefined word to execute the program. That's why every time to return in a main method in a main keyword. It is not keyword, is the word, but it's the predefined word in the JV. And in another part will be string args array. It is a string array. There are various data will be stored in the memory. That's why in string array the integer and string the integer value in a store in a string form, and also string value also store in the string array. To write a string args to store the every data in a string format. That's why they write a string array. This is all about the main method, and this is the discuss all word will be situated will be in a main method. And to summarize that, it is the public, it is access modifier, static is a keyword, void is a return type, no return but is no return type, return type but is a no return type in a method. Main is a predefined word will be situated predefined, and string AR is a string array. String array to store the various data in a string format. This is all about the main method in a Java. It is the entry point to execute the program. This is all discussed about the today's topic, the main method in a Java. Thank you.